Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English learning podcast. We're so happy you're here with us today, whether you're listening at home, walking in the park, or sipping your tea. Thank you for making time to learn with us.
Hi friends. Yes, thank you so much. We really feel honored that you're here. It means a lot to us. Every week, we bring you something useful, simple, and powerful to help you speak English better. And today is a great one.
Oh yes, I'm really excited for today's topic. But before we begin, let's do a quick hello for new listeners. My name is Agnes. I'm an English teacher and also someone who loves helping people speak with confidence.
And I'm Jasper. I'm also a language coach, and just like Agnes, I believe that learning English should feel natural, like talking to a friend. That's why our podcast is full of easy and real conversation.
So, Jasper, before we go ahead, I have a question. What's the topic we are going to talk about today?
Great question, Agnes. Today, we are talking about something very special and very useful. It's something that every English learner needs. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. The topic is daily use English sentences practice.
Yes, this is such a helpful topic, and let me tell you why. Every day, we use small and simple sentences to express our needs, our feelings, and our thoughts. Things like I'm hungry, or can you help me, or even what time is it?
Exactly. And guess what? If you can use these daily sentences with ease, you can have conversations anywhere, at school, at work, in the market, on the phone, you name it.
You don't need to memorize long grammar rules or big vocabulary to speak English well. You just need to know real sentences that people use every single day. That's what makes this topic so close to our hearts.
Right. And we want to say a big thank you to all of you who are listening and watching. You are learning, practicing, growing, and that's beautiful. We're proud of you.
So now, let's dive into some real, practical sentences. We'll practice together, okay? You can repeat after us when we speak. That way, you can train your mouth and brain to speak English naturally. Ready?
Let's go. First, we'll start with some common sentences we use in the morning. Think about your daily routine. When you wake up, what are some things you say?
Here are a few. I'm awake now. Good morning. I need a shower. Where is my toothbrush? I'm still sleepy. You can repeat them with us. Jasper, say them slowly so our friends can join.
Sure. Repeat after me. I'm awake now. Give 2-second pause. Good morning. Pause. I need a shower. Pause. Where is my toothbrush? Pause. I'm still sleepy. Pause.
Great job. These are simple, but they are powerful. They help you start speaking in English from the moment you open your eyes.
Now, let's move to the next part of the day, breakfast time. Imagine you're in the kitchen. You want to talk about food or ask for something. Let's practice I'm hungry. What's for breakfast? I want some tea. Pass me the salt, please. This tastes good.
Repeat with us again. Ready?
I'm hungry. Pause. What's for breakfast? Pause. I want some tea. Pause. Pass me the salt, please. Pause. This tastes good. Pause.
Wonderful. These are things people say in their daily lives. And the more you say them, the more natural your English will sound.
And remember, practice makes progress. You don't need to be perfect. Just keep speaking, even small sentences, and your brain will learn.
Yes, that's why this topic is so important. It helps you build real habits for daily life, not only for studying, but for actually living in English.
Exactly. And now, let's think about going out. Maybe to school or work. Some useful sentences are, let's go. I'm getting late. Where are my keys? It's time to leave. See you later.
Repeat after us again.
Let's go. Pause, I'm getting late. Pause, where are my keys? Pause, it's time to leave. Pause, see you later. Pause.
Very good. These little sentences help you live your day in English. You can say them to your family, your friends, or just to yourself.
And when you use English daily, it becomes your friend. You don't need to force it. It becomes easy, fun, and part of your life.
Yes, and we're here to walk with you on this journey. You're not alone. We're your learning team.
So, what comes next is even more fun. We'll continue with more useful sentences for later in the day. Maybe you're at work or talking with a friend. Maybe you're at work or talking with a friend. These are moments when you really need English that is clear, simple, and useful. So let's keep going with more daily sentences.
Yes. So now let's imagine you are at your job or maybe in class. There are many things we say during these times. Some sentences you might hear or say include, I have a question. Can you explain it again? I'm working on it. I don't understand. Let's take a break.
Okay, let's say them slowly together. Ready? Repeat after me. I have a question. Pause, can you explain it again? Pause, I'm working on it. Pause, I don't understand. Pause, let's take a break. Pause.
Very well done. These are perfect sentences for school, the office, or even if you're studying at home. Use them every day and your English will improve step by step.
Yes. And now let's go to another part of the day. Imagine it's lunchtime, and you're with a friend, your family, or your coworker. You may need to say things like, let's eat. Do you want some? This is delicious. I'm full. Can I have some more?
Time to repeat again. Ready?
Let's eat. Pause, do you want some? Pause, this is delicious. Pause, I'm full. Pause, can I have some more? Pause.
Excellent. Now imagine you're talking with a friend in the afternoon or during a short break. What are some things people say?
Great question. Here are some casual and friendly daily expressions. How was your day? Did you watch the news? Let's go for a walk. I'm a bit tired. Let's talk later.
Nice and simple. Let's repeat them together.
How was your day? Pause, did you watch the news? Pause, let's go for a walk. Pause, I'm a bit tired. Pause, let's talk later. Pause.
You see how easy these are? They're not long, they're not difficult, but they help you speak naturally and fluently. And that's the goal.
Yes, that's what we want for you, to feel free and comfortable when you speak English.
Let's keep going. Imagine now it's evening and you're relaxing or maybe spending time with your family. What kinds of things do people say at that time?
Here are a few good ones. I'm home. How was your day? Let's watch a movie. Dinner is ready. Good job today.
Ready? Say them with us. I'm home. Pause. How was your day? Pause. Let's watch a movie. Pause. Dinner is ready. Pause. Good job today. Pause.
And sometimes, we also like to say nice words to others before ending the day. That's called positive daily talk.
Yes. Like, thank you for helping me. You did great today. I'm proud of you. You make me happy. Sleep well.
Let's repeat, thank you for helping me. Pause, you did great today. Pause, I'm proud of you. Pause, you make me happy. Pause, sleep well. Pause.
Beautiful, isn't it? These sentences not only help you speak English, but they also help you connect with people. They make relationships stronger.
That's true. Daily English is not just about grammar. It's about living and feeling and sharing moments.
So keep practicing with us. Say these sentences many times a day. Speak with your family, your friends, even with yourself. The more you speak, the better you get.
Absolutely. And now, let's continue with more situations. What if someone visits your house? What do you say?
Oh, yes, that's a great situation. Let's say some welcoming sentences. Welcome to my home. Please come in. Would you like some tea? Make yourself comfortable. It's so nice to see you.
Repeat after us again. Welcome to my home. Pause. Please come in. Pause. Would you like some tea? Pause. Make yourself comfortable. Pause. It's so nice to see you. Pause.
These are very polite and kind expressions. They are useful every day, especially if you want to be friendly and respectful.
And that's what English is really about, using it to build trust, kindness, and connection with others.
That's so true, Jesper. And now, what if you want to ask for help or ask a question? This is also a part of daily speaking, right?
Of course. Let's practice some helpful daily sentences for asking questions. Can you help me, please? What does this mean? How do you say this in English? Can you show me? I don't know how to do it.
Now, your turn. Repeat with us. Can you help me? Please. Pause. What does this mean? Pause. How do you say this in English? Pause. Can you show me? Pause. I don't know how to do it. Pause.
Great job, everyone. You're doing so well. Keep breathing, stay relaxed, and let your English flow.
And now let's think of another situation. When you go to the store or market, and now let's think of another situation. When you go to the store or market, these are places we go every week. Sometimes every day, so let's learn the most useful sentences for that.
Yes. When you're shopping or buying something, you might say, how much is this? Can I help you? I'm just looking, thank you. I'd like to buy this. Do you have this in another size?
Let's repeat them together slowly. How much is this? Pause. Can I help you? Pause. I'm just looking. Thank you. Pause. I'd like to buy this. Pause. Do you have this in another size? Pause.
Very nice. These sentences are simple but powerful. They help you when you're out shopping for clothes, food, or even gifts. Let's add a few more useful expressions too. Can I pay by card? Do you have change for this? Where is the fitting room? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Ready to repeat? Here we go. Can I pay by card? Pause. Do you have change for this? Pause. Where is the fitting room? Pause. Thank you. Have a nice day. Pause.
Shopping becomes so much easier when you can say these. And don't worry if you say them slowly. The important thing is to try.
Exactly. Everyone makes small mistakes when learning. That's okay. The goal is communication, not perfection.
All right, let's change the scene again. What if you are not feeling well and you need to go to the doctor or tell someone how you feel?
Ooh, that's a very important part of daily life. Let's look at these sentences. I don't feel well. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. I need to see a doctor. I'm taking medicine.
Let's repeat, I don't feel well. Pause, I have a headache. Pause, my stomach hurts. Pause, I need to see a doctor. Pause, I'm taking medicine. Pause.
Very good. And here are some polite sentences the doctor might say to you. Please sit down. Where does it hurt? Take this medicine. You need some rest. Call me if you need anything.
Let's say those slowly together. Please sit down. Pause, where does it hurt? Pause, take this medicine. Pause, you need some rest. Pause, call me if you need anything. Pause.
These expressions are not only helpful, they can also keep you safe. If you can tell someone your problem, they can help you faster.
You're absolutely right, Agnes. And now, let's move to a very common part of life, when you're making plans with someone or inviting them somewhere.
Yes, this is fun. Let's imagine you want to meet a friend. You might say, "Are you free tomorrow? Let's meet at 5 p.m. Where should we go? I'll call you later. See you soon."
Let's repeat these planning sentences.